Alrighty guys, welcome to this first video of the brand new year 2020. In this video today, to get us started for this new year, which by the way, Happy New Year to you guys, okay? Alrighty. To get us started today, I got something for you today. It's going to be really easy to do and you can make some really good money with it. Probably about $50 per day possibility here, or even more. And you're going to want to stick around for this video because I got a really good bonus coming for you at the end of it. So stick around. And I can't wait to get you started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. In this video, like I told you, I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can make some easy money, up to about $50 or probably even more per day once you get going with this. Alright, well, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and what we do here, if you're new to my channel, what we do here is how-to videos, anything to do with making money, online videos to bring financial and time freedom into your life, and general value videos, and once in a while we'll even throw in a motivational video for you as well. Okay, alright, with all that to do out of the way, first of all, I don't want you guys to forget, while you're thinking about it, reach down there right now, hit that subscribe button, because I'm always coming out with all ways to make money, to help you guys make money online so that you can have more financial and time freedom in your life. Okay, also don't forget to ding that bell or click on that bell so you get notified of when I do upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Okay, alrighty guys, well, with that out of the way, I can't wait to get you started here. Let's get in on this method. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to do it a little bit backwards today than what I've done before in previous videos. But what we're going to do is come over here to our favorite Fiverr website here. And I think everybody's pretty familiar with Fiverr, right? Only here at Fiverr, once you join, it's free to join. If you don't have an account at Fiverr, it's free to join up. Just click on join right here at the upper right and you can create a free account. But once you do that, you're going to click on the, after you log into your account, of course, you're going to click on Become a Seller, because what you're going to do is going to create a gig here on this site. Now, if you noticed up here in the search engine right here, I've already typed in photo touch-up, and then down here, as you see, the results for photo touch-up in all categories. And you see, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to show you how to do photo touch-ups to make money with. Okay, now I can hear some of you now, wait a minute, Kevin, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to work with Photoshop or any of those programs to do this, I've never done this before. Well, just hold on to your horses and hang out with me, because I'm going to show you a very easy, simple way to get this done, and it's a beautiful thing. Okay, alrighty guys, so what we do here is you're going to create a gig. When you become a seller, you want to create a gig in photo touch-up. And the nice thing about this is it's a pretty wide open market here. If I can zoom in a little bit, you can see this here. There's only 1,700 people that are doing this service right now. So it's a pretty wide open market here. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to find someone like this guy right here. I chose him because he's got 595 actually, with a 4.9, almost a 5.0 star rating. On his gig doing photo touch-up. He says, I will touch up your 5 pictures with Photoshop for $5. Okay, now and I clicked on his because what you're going to want to do, and it brought me let's see here, this one right here, yeah, and I clicked on his and it brought us over here. It shows his gig right here. And what you want to do is you want to create a gig similar to this, but do not copy. I've told you guys this in the past. Don't copy someone else's gig word for word, because not only will Fiverr see that and give you a black mark, but also Google, because everything on Fiverr here, every gig that's created gets ranked up in the Google search engines, right? So that's how people find these things too. So you want to model yours after, just kind of create yourself a title here on what you'll do, and then put you some pictures up, or even put a video like this guy's got here, and you'll see he has different pictures showing his work and stuff like that, and so on and so forth. So, and then you can give a little bit about the gig, just sort of write down what you'll do and what you can do and what you have done or whatever. Even if you haven't done this, just write down that you are capable of doing it. You have done it a little bit in the past, because when I'm going to show you this, you're going to be able to do this with no problem. Okay, it's a very easy way to do this. It's far better than Photoshop. It's just so easy. But I'll get to that here in a minute, so hang out with me. All right, and then you want to sort of model yours after this on when you write about your gig. And then you're going to put a little bit about yourself here, a little bit about yourself and what you like about this particular gig, and that, so on and so forth, and just a little bit about you as the seller. Okay? Now, you can create your packages. Like this particular fella here on this gig, he has $5 and he'll do 5 pictures. And then he does it in high resolution and for commercial use, and number of images and revisions unlimited, he says, and delivery times. You can set this all up on your gig. All right? And then for your standard package, and you can do 10 or whatever, you could start yours at 10 here for 10 picks, 15 for 15, and 20 or 25 for 25. Make it about $1 per pick that you do. And you can set yours all up like this too if you want as well. And then, but what you really want to do is you want to come down, come all the way down, and make sure that you use the same tags that these other people are using on their gigs. Somebody that's got a good rating like this fellow right here, you can copy his tags and use the one he's using on your gig, which will help raise your gig up quicker into the search engine and get you more offers or more customers. Okay? All right, so now at this point, we're going to say that our gig is created already here on Fiverr. All right, so now, how are we going to make money with this? Now, like I said, you guys are probably talking about, I don't know how to do photo touch-up, Kevin, and so on and so forth. Well, what you're going to do after you got your gig set up, and when you get an order, as you can see, this fellow right here has already got one in the queue right now, waiting on him to do. So when you get an order, what you're going to do is bring that photo that your customer gives you. Now it can be either what I'm going to show you here is it can be either with a like you see a face picture here, or someone's photograph, or it can be even a photograph of like just a landscaping or mountains or whatever, if you will. You can do it with either or, but mostly it's going to be people that want to do their like faces or family members' faces or whatever, pictures like that, just normal personal photographs. Okay, so when you get an order, what you're going to do, and that person gives you the order and the picture that they want touched up, what you're going to do is bring it over here to this amazing website right here. As you see this site right here, this is all automatic, guys. Look at the address in the address bar. It's makeup.pho.to. So it's makeup photo, but don't forget the dots. Makeup.pho.to. Come to this website. And this, as you can see here, you can see the before and after. And guys, this was done all automatically just on this website alone. I'm going to show you an example here in just a second. But you can see here that it took Grandma's picture here and made Grandma look like she was about 25 years younger. If you can see that or not there. You can see the difference in the before and the after. And there's a couple other ones here too. You can see this young lady here has got some blemishes over here on her face in this original photo, but then if you look at the after this particular website touch-up here, you can see that it looks a whole lot better. Okay, now this slide you can do, it's got lots of different things. You can use fun effects with it. This is the face retouch. It has a full editor if you want to do this stuff manually as well by yourself. It has instant fix. It can even do cartoons, and it's got e-cards and avatars. And look over here, guys, right here. It works also if you have an iPhone. You can do this on iPhone and also on Android phones. So you can actually get this software, or even this website will work right on your phones too. Okay? Now, so what I did was I uploaded a couple of my couple of photos already. Now here's one of myself here, and if I click on it, You see how automatically it just did that automatically. Now, I'm going to try to zoom in just a little bit here on this for you. I'll probably just go all the way. This is a picture of myself taken about, about 6 or 7 years ago. And as you can see, it's already touched this photo up. Now, look, I'm going to click here and show you the original photo here. You see that? That's the original. It's not a very good photo of myself, actually. But after the touch-up, which happened automatically, I didn't touch anything. I just loaded it up here and it did it for me automatically. So that's the original, and there's the after it's touched up. Original, touched up. Original, touched up. Now that's one there. Let's come back, and I went and I downloaded a photo of a black and white photo, even of a girl right here that has lots of freckles on her face. And you can see here, let's go ahead and, this is a really good close-up here. We'll zoom out a little bit. Now, this is the touched up one here, and if I click on original here, you can see the original photo. You guys see that difference there? That's original, and that's touched up. This lady has a lot of freckles already, but it sure makes a difference. You can see the difference in that photo. See that? That's after, before, and after. It's amazing stuff, isn't it? So, and I also, just to see if it would work, I also loaded up a photo, just one of my picture photos you guys have probably seen on my background on this computer anyway. Now, it's going to say we didn't find a face in the photo, but we applied automatic color enhancement to it anyways. Okay? So if you can see here, here's the original right there, and here's the one that's been enhanced. Quite a big difference there. You see that? It even made the detail a little bit better on that picture as well. Pretty good, huh? So you see, guys, that's how easy that is. You just come to this website, bring your photo from your customer that you created your gig on Fiverr right in here. You're one of the 1,700 people that's running this type of service, which is not very many. You shouldn't have any problems making $50 or more per day once you get going and your service gets ranked up and you start getting a lot of people commenting with good comments and reviews, and you got a good rating like 4.9 or 5.0 rating. I mean, there's many of them down through here that you can see. As you can see here, all of these down through here, they're charging anywhere from $5 up to starting at $25 right here. So I mean, you can set your price whatever you want it to be, but you shouldn't have any problems making anywhere from $50 or probably more dollars per day doing this, using this site right here to touch up your photos and have it done instantly. I mean, you can do it just instantly, as you've seen with the photos that I uploaded in here. Alrighty? Well, guys, that's how you want to make money. That's how you can make money with this, creating a service on Fiverr. Now, let me tell you about the bonus that I told you about. Let's say that you like this service, you created a service like this, but you really don't want to do the work yourself, right? Even though you've seen right here on this website how simple and powerful and easy it is to do it, but you still really don't want to do it. You would like a little bit easier way to do this. Well, what you would do then is when you get an order from your customer here on Fiverr, off your gig that you created, and you didn't want to do this at makeup.pho or makeup photo website right here, what you would do then is you'd come over to SEO Clerks, SEOclerk.com. You see it right here in the address bar, SEOclerk.com. You come here, and if you notice up here in the search engine right here, I typed in photo in the search engine, and it brought me up with all of these right here. Some of these are remove the background, and they can edit some images here. You see me removing the background again. If you scroll down, for example, you'll see this right here. This fellow right here will retouch a photo and image for $1. See that? $1. So if you didn't want to do the work yourself on the this site here, Makeup Photo, that just does it simply and automatically for you, and you just want to be lazy, you don't want to do this, bring your customer's photo over here to SEO Clerks, hire somebody here for $1 to do it for you, and you just pocket the difference of what your customer pays you. You just pocket the difference. You pay this guy $1. I mean, there's others down through here too. As you scroll down, you can see it. Here's one: fast edit, Photoshop editing, retouching photos, etc. for $1. I mean, you can find all kinds of them down through here. So that's just the lazy man's way. If you guys don't want to do that little bit of work, it takes about 60 seconds or so yourself. You can bring it over here to SEOclerk.com and hire somebody for $1 to do that for you, and you just pocket the difference in what you've made off your customer. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I had for you today. Want you guys to give me a thumbs up if you like this video and you got the value out of that and seen how you can make some easy money with this. And also, don't forget to reach down and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, okay? Also, if you want to get out of your 9-to-5 job that you have to go to every day, and you're sick and tired of working for a boss where you're selling your time for a small amount of money every week, and you're making somebody else rich, somebody else's dreams you're fulfilling. What you want to do is reach down there in the description where you see it right above at the top of your video there, mentorwithkev.com. Reach down there and click that link right at the top of the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over, get signed up on my list, and check out the business at the end of my funnel and see what all is involved with it there for you. And just for $7 you can have your own business up and running within about 15 days and make anywhere from $300 to $4,000 in one day possibility. All right, now that's how to free up your life for real. Okay, all right, guys, I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. All right, you guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye bye now.